Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You've just seen that I unboxed this Hobbs air fry crisp and bake toaster oven. Now I'm going to test the air frying function and toasting function. I will try to air frying this frozen mini samosa that I bought from the supermarket. I used the air frying basket and brushed some oil on each of the samosa. The first attempt was failed. The corners were burnt very fast. Then I tried the second time. It looks quite good after a few minutes, but unfortunately, after 12 minutes, the corner burnt again. Then I tested potato chips. I cut a fresh potato, add some oil, and seasoned it with salt and pepper. The result is fantastic, even though some of the chips got burned on the top, but overall it looks very nice and are very crunchy. The last one that I tested the air frying function is the chicken wings. I seasoned the chicken wing and coated with flour and egg. I air fried each side for 10 minutes. This is the first 10 minutes on one side. I saw the flour still stayed on the chicken wings, so I used some water to brush away the flour. Then I turned the chicken wings to the other side and put it back to the oven to air fry for another 10 minutes. After the second 10 minutes, I took one out to see if it is fully cooked or not. It doesn't really look fully cooked to me, so I put it back to the oven and air fry for another 6 minutes. The chicken wings look so nice after another 6 minutes. Chicken wing is a big success for this air frying test. Good. After having the yummy chicken wings, the hard work started. As you can see, it is pretty messy after the cooking, and it took me a long time to clean all of them. Lastly, I'm going to toast a piece of white bread and a piece of multigrain bread. I put the big pan or drip tray under the wire rack. I reckon the drip tray is too small. I toasted each side half brown. It looks pretty nice on one side, but the other side is not that brown. Maybe I should remove the big pan underneath next time. But overall, I'm quite happy with the results. So far, I reckon the biggest design mistake is the big pan, also called drip tray, is too small. As you can see just now, when I was air frying the chicken wings, I have to push all the chicken wings in the center of the air fry mesh rack so the oil can all drip to the drip tray. Okay, that's all for this unbox and testing. Thanks for watching. Bye!